Welcome back to another episode of Wisdom Wave brought to you by Triumph Through Training. I am your host Rajan Arora and today we shall talk about the power of positivity. A positive mindset brings about transformative influence in a person's life. It emphasizes the idea that adopting a positive attitude can lead to improved mental and emotional well-being and increased resilience, which results in greater success in various aspects of life. This concept recognizes the significance of focusing our attention on the good, finding opportunities in challenges, and cultivating optimism even in the face of adversity. I often say to my wife, especially when something unpalatable happens, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है, and immediately the entire perspective changes. You may ask, just by changing the thought, does the situation get better? No, not always. But the positive thought gives us the strength to take things in our stride. It enhances the overall quality of our life and stop cribbing and complaining all the time. Try it. Let me share with you a story which I tell my training participants to motivate them. There once was a bunch of tiny frogs who arranged a running competition. The goal was to reach the top of a very high tower. A big crowd had gathered around the tower to see the race and cheer on the contestants. The race began. Honestly, no one in the crowd really believed that tiny frogs would reach the top of the tower. People were saying, "Oh, way too difficult. They will never make it to the top." Or, "Not a chance that they will succeed. The tower is too high." And true, the tiny frogs began collapsing, one by one, except for those who were in fresh tempo, were climbing higher and higher. The crowd continued to yell, "It's too difficult, no one will make it." More tiny frogs got tired and gave up, but one of them continued higher and higher and higher. This one wouldn't give up. He was the only one who reached the top. Then all of the onlookers and other tiny frogs naturally wanted to know how this one frog managed to do it. A contestant asked the tiny frog how he had found the strength to succeed and reach the goal. No answer from him. The question was repeated, but in vain. It turned out that the winner was deaf. So what is the takeaway from this hypothetical story? Never listen to other people's negative or pessimistic tendencies because they take your most wonderful dreams and wishes away from you. The ones you have it in your heart. Always think of the power that words have because everything you hear and read will affect your actions. Hence, always be positive. Never let negativity drown out your dreams and aspirations. If required, stay away or cut off from such negative and toxic people. Instead, cultivate a positive mindset that fuels your actions and propels you towards success. Remember, the words you hear and the thoughts you entertain shape your reality. So choose positivity always. I want to correlate the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne here. Positivity is a central theme that underscores the principles of law of attraction. The book suggests that individuals have the power to manifest their desires and create their reality through the thoughts and beliefs they hold. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for attracting positive experiences and circumstances into one's life. By focusing on what you want rather than what you lack or fear, you can tap into universal energy and attract whatever ethical and positive you want: abundance, happiness, or success. I would like to summarize what Helen Keller once said: "Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence." That's all for today's episode of Wisdom Wave from 3T, based on power of positivity. Stay positive, stay determined, and let your dreams soar.